Learning system, criminal justice learning system. You will learn more if you use a learning system. If you want to learn criminal justice, you will learn more if you use a learning system. Criminal justice uses the following integrated learning system. Criminal justice uses the following integrated learning system. Number one, concept preview. Number one, concept preview. In concept preview, the chapter opener introduces the key concepts to be learned. Concept preview. Number one, concept preview introduces the key concepts to be learned. Chapter objectives. Chapter objectives. Concept preview, chapter objectives. In concept preview, chapter objectives alert you to the major concepts to learn. Chapter objectives alert you to the major concepts to learn. Turn the objectives into questions. Turn the objectives into question. And as you read the chapter, look for the answers to the questions. First, turn the objectives into question, and in reading the chapter, look for the answers to the questions. This is a concept preview. In concept preview, chapter objectives is the main concern. In chapter objectives, alert you the major concepts to learn. Turn the objectives into questions. Read the chapter. Look for the answers to the questions. The opening paragraphs sets the stage. In concept preview, chapter outline introduces the topics that will be discussed. Scan the outline to familiarize yourself with the subject matter. Chapter outline. Scan the outline to familiarize yourself with the subject matter. Learning system. First point. Criminal justice learning system. First point. Concept preview. Chapter objectives. Major concepts to learn. Shift chapter objectives into questions and find the answers of that questions. Familiarize the outline of that chapter. Concept preview, first step. The second step is concept development. The chapter text explains concepts in structured and visual format. Structured and visual format. Concept development. Heading structures shows the relationship among the topics in a section and breaks the material into easily digestible segments of information. Scan the headings to locate the information that will help you answer the questions you formed from the chapter objectives. In concept development, heading structure, visual format, relationships between this topic section and breaks material into digestible segments of information. Scan the heading to locate the information and help to find out the answers of the questions that you develop from the objectives of that chapter. In concept preview, concepts to learn is the objective, and objectives is the question to find the answers. In concept development, heading structure, visual format, relationship, information, digestible segments, getting information, scanning the heading to locate the information, find out the key terms, Key terms are defined when introduced and are printed in boldface to make them easy to find. Key terms. In concept development, key terms is the basic unit to learn that objective structures, concepts, information. Key terms also defined in the margin to make it easy for you to learn them. Learning system, criminal justice learning system. First is concept preview, second is concept development, third is concept reinforcement. Concept reinforcement in text examples, graphics, and special features enhance and strengthen your learning. Concept reinforcement. Criminal justice learning system concept preview, you find the objectives, you make the questions, you are searching for answers. In concept development, you got the heading, scan the information, learn the key terms, and finding the objectives, questions. In after that find, you found the answers of those objective based questions, you will reinforce your concept in your mind, in yourself. Acha, the third component is concept reinforcement. Careers in criminal justice features alert you to the issues facing criminal justice professionals. The features that are facing criminal justice professionals is the concept reinforcement. What are the features? Suppose special features, reinforcement, and enhance your understanding of the topics presented. Let's suppose criminal justice online, women and policing. This feature describes the careers in criminal justice that will help you to learn and understand the concepts that you studies in your concept preview or your concept development or key terms. Special features enhance your understanding of the topic presented. Examples helps you to understand the concepts presented. Example helps you to understand the concepts presented. Concept reinforcement. Criminal justice learning system, first part concept preview, second part concept development, third part concept reinforcement, and the final part, the most important, is concept review and application. End of chapter. Exercises and activities encourage you to apply what you learned. Most of the time we read the whole chapter, but we did not go through the concept review and application, the questions that writer asked from their students or from their readers. These are the exercises, that is the special emphasis. This is the application, how it will live in the society, how it will perform the work in the society. This is your conceptual review and application. In summary of every chapter, objectives sum up the chapter's major themes. The summary is organized by chapter objectives and provides you with the general answers to the question you posed when you begin the chapter. Questions for review. Re-examine key points presented in the chapter. These questions test your knowledge of the chapter concepts and can help you review for exam. Key terms. Key terms is the basic unit to understand the concepts behind it. If you understand the key terms, you understand the concept. Key terms consolidates the criminal justice vocabulary presented in the chapter. If you can't remember what a term means, the page reference alert you to the location of its definition in the chapter. Experimental activities. In criminal justice, experimental activities is the practical part to learn about criminal justice. offer opportunity for you to broaden your understanding of the material presented, prepare yourself to participate in classroom discussions and enhance your performance on exam, and internet project encourage you to take advantage of this important technology. Critical thinking. Why we are learning to develop critical thinking. Critical thinking encourages questions encourage to finding the information regarding the answers. Critical thinking exercises encourage you to apply the concepts you have learned. Each scenario provides you the opportunity to analyze a situation using the knowledge you have gained from the chapter and to then propose a solution, evaluate a proposal, and make a decision. Critical thinking exercises: propose a solution, evaluate a proposal, or make a decision. This is the method, the procedure, how to learn criminal justice learning system. There are four steps: concept review, concept development, concept reinforcement, concept review, and application. Thank you so much.